When you're planning the space needed to hold tons of expensive equipment, you need to think about more than what's sitting on the floor. What about the flexibility of the substructure beneath it? What if you could increase your revenue stream by adding up to 30% more equipment on the same floor space, and have the flexibility to reconfigure that equipment whenever you needed to? That equipment represents millions of dollars, so it's worth some advanced consideration. It's not just about the hard costs of raised flooring, it's about maximizing your investment. Conventional grade flooring has pedestals locked into each corner of the panels, giving you minimum flexibility. Servers and other heavy equipment shouldn't sit on flooring that loses stability once you start removing panels. Shifting is a safety issue. If you're planning to build or expand, now you've got an opportunity, with the right flooring, to plan it right the first time, with an innovative engineered design that also results in significant savings. Discover the complete line of dynamic raised floor solutions from Bergvik. Bergvik is a global leader of raised flooring and seismic bracing, bringing you what you already appreciate in Swedish design and engineering. With our environmentally friendly manufacturing practices and our ongoing commitment to quality, we offer solutions that are greener, function better, look better, and stay looking great for longer than the life of the equipment sitting on them. Bergvik's flexible ISO floor system's unique design allows it to easily adjust to ever-changing technologies, equipment densities and sizes, and increased cooling demands. Our seismic bracing systems are the only ones designed specifically to match the equipment that's mounted on them. We also supply a full line of accessories to further enhance our floor's functionality, including our superior 56% airflow panel design that keeps your servers cooler with less energy consumption. And of course, built-in support for all your heavy equipment. Our CAD engineers will design your raised floor layout to adapt to your equipment. Then our highly skilled and certified floor installers will make sure everything's placed properly. Think of the significant savings you could achieve for your company by expanding or planning a new facility that economizes on many of your building costs by starting with a smaller footprint. And with the flexible equipment stands and interlocking configurations, you can put anything, anywhere, with peace of mind that your dynamic floor will protect your delicate equipment from tremors or other stresses. And an industry-leading 5-year warranty to back it up. When you've got literally tons of equipment, don't skimp on what sits beneath it. You need a versatile, dynamic raised floor from Bergvik. Contact us and ask about our free webinar to learn more about Bergvik flooring. Thank you.